I am out here on a short little hike down in the valley and in the dried up riverbeds of Þórsmörk. We arrived here yesterday after some car failure. So my car is now on the campground here with a broken shock absorber. But that's a problem that I have pushed to future Jacob to deal with. And I'm out here with my brother, just enjoying pretty nice weather. Yesterday we fell asleep to pretty crappy weather, I think. It did rain most of the day yesterday, on and off.
In the evening it was quite nice.
Yeah.
Like it was clearing up.
Oh yeah, true. But then when we woke up today, it was more or less sunny and warm. And now we have a little bit of overcast, but it's still very nice for a hike, more or less perfect hiking weather. And this trip is mainly just a meet up and hang out trip. I'm not gonna record any long hiking video or anything like that. Just taking the opportunity to show you a little bit from this trip. And we thought we could just hike here and forward into this valley, but we're at a dead end here. So we couldn't get over that water, but fortunately we found this bridge. We're really lucky that they put this bridge here so we can get over this sand patch. Some documenting here. You can see our cars over there. And here I'm taking a time lapse that I will also put on the screen soon. It's so nice to see how the clouds and the mist kind of pulsates in and out in the mountains. Good morning from Þórsmörk. And the camp is looking pretty nice. And over there you have the glacier Mýrdalsjökull. I'm actually planning on doing a hike here this weekend, where I will walk from more or less the ring road and up between those two glaciers, and then I will be back here. So I'm gonna leave my car here and then go and meet up some friends and take a bus to the trailhead and then end up here on Monday. And it's pretty warm. It's like t-shirt weather today. So for Iceland, that's really good.
Hello. Hola.
You start walking in this often beautiful weather down on sea level, more or less, and then you slowly go up and it still looks fine, but then you reach the pass. And this hike, you pass through or between two glaciers. Whoa. So the weather is really unpredictable. They have their own little weather systems almost. And you can get really cold and it can get really foggy real fast. So that's often the issue, that you lose track of the trail or you need to stop or hurt yourself, and it's just so cold with the wind. and some of the sections also can be really covered in snow like now. I mean, we were all prepared and we're, you know, quite equipped, but I have a lot of respect for this trail. I just came from Skógar, and then I'm walking Fimmvörðuháls up there, and the goal today is Þórsmörk. Now I'm gonna eat some food, sit down a bit, enjoy the peace of quiet. There's almost no hikers left here now. I think most of the people that were walking the trail that we did, they're already down. I'm just being slow, taking a lot of photos. I just can't leave places like this when it's so calm, so serene. Serene? Serene. Let's go with that. Eyjafjallajökull, Tindfjöll, and Þórsmörk over there where I'm staying tonight. And I just came from I'm gonna put the Nikon to work. Here. You have Eyjafjallajökull, really looks on the mountain here like there's someone standing there.